Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, May 6th, and this is my PM recap for the Euro-US dollar. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on the home screen to learn more. So, anyways, I was talking this morning about how we might get a turn down, but man, it just kept on drifting up, which was one of my outcomes, anyways. Now, like I said this morning, whatever happens over the next 24 hours or so is definitely going to be setting itself up for tomorrow's U.S. interest rate news, which is a very big news event. And I will be live streaming for that news event on YouTube, so definitely make sure to check that out. Now, this move up right here to me is looking pretty corrective. I mean, it's kind of slow going, which makes me think even more that it is just a correction, that more than likely we still are going to get at least another push down to at least the 38% before we even think about continuing the uptrend. Now, be a little bit careful. I mean, just because I draw it like this doesn't mean I would just go short. I would have to see a nice break of structure to the downside. I'd want to see that, double top look, where, two candles spike together, and then a nice push to the downside in order to go short. And this may not even happen tonight. This actually may be the entry tomorrow. I really wouldn't be surprised if this actually drifted up and took out this high and maybe even this high, and then tomorrow at the interest rate news is when we actually get the bigger push to the downside. So be patient. Continue to look for logs until you do see a break to the downside, at least on this 1 hour time frame. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.